Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this Investa mobile, which is Investa mobile app. So to get started, Investa mobile app still serve as a hub for stock, cryptos, and forex tracking, with tools for chanting, technical analysis, trading signals, and educational content. It's powerful and popular among Philippine traders and offer a social feed, portfolios monitoring, and a digital journal, making it appealing for beginners and active traders alike. However, the app has a serious downside. Users frequently report crashes, bugs, slow performance, and login issues. Many once free features are now locked behind a paywall or subscription, and ads often interrupt the experience. Even for paying users, most concern are reports of withdrawal difficulties, missing funds, and questionable promotions, which have raised trust concern in part of the trading community. And here's a very conclusion about this platform. Investor offers a useful tools and market access, especially for Southeast Asian trader, but app instability, aggressive monetization, and trust compliance make it risky for serious investors and investing. So use it for educational and signal, but be caution with actual funds. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it. So if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.